Hello, I'm Mark from Valor XL, and today I want to show you how to completely transform your long-form content into engaging social clips using Vizard. If you frequently produce podcasts, tutorials, or interviews, and dread the tedious manual editing process, this tool is an absolute lifesaver for your workflow. Before we dive in, please note that Vizard provided Valor XL with a pro account for this demonstration, so I will be highlighting those features while noting what works on the free tiers. I have included a link in the description below so you can easily check out their current pricing plans and see what fits your needs best. Once you sign into the platform, you will notice the dashboard is incredibly clean and intuitive, instantly displaying your recent projects and some helpful suggested templates. If you enjoy using pre-made styles, you should definitely explore their collection of intros, social-ready, hook templates, and various graphic layouts. For this walkthrough, I want to take a long-form video piece and demonstrate exactly how Vizard automatically finds the best moments for you. Start by clicking the Create Project button, and then carefully select your desired aspect ratio for the platforms you are targeting. Since I am planning to post this on YouTube and other socials, I am selecting the 16:9 ratio, though you can easily change this for TikTok later. Next, you need to import your media, which in my case is a 20-minute interview, along with some B-roll clips and a logo file. Vizard makes the upload process very smooth, allowing you to pull files directly from your local hard drive or from your preferred cloud storage. Now, here's the feature that will save you hours of work. Click the Auto Edit button to let the artificial intelligence scan your entire recording. The software scans for punchy moments like strong emotional beats, interesting topic shifts, or audience applause, and then generates a batch of short clips. Give it a minute to work, and you will see a list of generated clips appear on the left side of your screen with short previews. Instead of you manually scrubbing through 20 minutes of footage, Vizard provides you with dozens of ready-to-use candidate clips. You can play each one, adjust the trim points, or simply reject the ones that do not fit your vision for the final video. I am going to select a few promising clips and drop them onto my main timeline to start building the story. You still retain full manual control here, so you can easily rearrange clips, split them, or drag the edges to make them longer or shorter. One minor edit I always recommend is cleaning up the audio, which you can do by clicking on the waveform to detach or adjust the sound. I am going to fade the audio in over about 3 seconds on this specific clip so it does not start with an abrupt jump. Adding transitions is also a total breeze. Just hover between two clips and select the style that works best for your flow. I usually stick with simple fades or quick cross dissolves, as these keep the viewer focused on the content rather than flashy effects. If you want to draw attention to a specific detail on the screen, hit the Elements tab to find stickers and animated arrows. Drag an arrow over your footage, rotate it, and then use the Motion tab to add a fade in so it feels like a professional touch. Text and captions are absolutely essential for social media, so click the Text tab to pick a preset style that matches your brand. Vizard features auto-transcription that is shockingly accurate, so you can generate captions and burn them directly onto your videos. Since most people watch videos on mute while scrolling, having high-quality, readable captions is really non-negotiable for success. Now, I want to highlight one feature that truly sets Vizard apart: the combined content calendar and auto-schedule tool. Instead of exporting every single clip and posting manually, you can set a cadence and let Vizard schedule everything for you. Hop over to the content calendar view to see all your upcoming posts, where you can drag them around or change captions easily. Other editors like CapCut or Premiere are great for specific needs, but they lack this built-in scheduling workflow, which is a massive productivity booster. When you need to cut a clip into two distinct pieces, simply position the playhead exactly where you want it and hit the split button. If your audio has a background hiss, use the Apply to All Volume option to mute raw clips and layer in a clean music track. Hit the Audio tab to browse their library of tracks, filtering by mood or genre so you can find the perfect vibe for your edit. Pro move: try using different intros for different platforms, like a cinematic intro for YouTube and a punchy hook for TikTok. Overlays and visual effects are also easily accessible, allowing you to add things like snow or film grain to give your footage more personality. You can also drag your own logo into the timeline as a layer, adjust the opacity, and anchor it in the corner to watermark your brand. Use the speed controls if you want to create a comedic effect, or simply compress time in your B-roll footage. If you are unhappy with the change, the undo stack is quite generous, which really reduces the stress of trying out wild creative ideas. Before you export, take a moment to check your captions and add platform-specific metadata, like hashtags, to improve your organic reach. When you are ready, you have the choice to export the final file or publish it directly from Vizard to your connected social media accounts. If you want to optimize for virality, remember to trim the start of your clips aggressively so you hook the viewer within the first 3 seconds. I also suggest keeping variations of the same clip with different caption styles, as this helps you test what resonates with your audience. Once you click export, the system will process the scenes and prepare your file, or mark the clip as ready to publish if scheduled. That was a solid overview of Vizard, covering everything from auto-clipping and manual refining to the powerful calendar scheduling tools. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have tried auto-generating clips yet. Don't forget to subscribe to Valor XL if you are interested in more practical tools and tips for creators and small businesses. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing your content grow as you post more consistently. Until next time, stay creative, keep building your audience, and I will see you in the next video.